Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add text on image in Canva. So first of all I can go here and type canva.com, and now I need to upload image file from here. So let me upload a simple image. Now click here use in a design, and then you can easily select size for the image. And now if you want to add some text on the image, how you can easily do that? Just click on the image, and after that you can see on the left side you will get different options. Go here and you will find out different text formats. For example, you can add text in large size, then you can select this one, and after that you can add any of the text. For example, enable website design, and you can drag it anywhere. After that, if you want to change the color for the text, then you can simply use this one. As image is a dark color, then we can use the light color text. And after that you can also go back, then you can add the text, for example in paragraph format. Then you can easily increase font size a little bit, and after that here you can find out more typography options. You can easily change font color for your text. You can search any of the font, and here you can see font is changed. Then you can bold your text. Also you can make your text in Italian format. You can underline any of the text. You can add the strike, as well as you can change the text into uppercase. You can also align in left, right and middle. You can also add bullets in your text. You can add some spacing, and also you can use some advanced formatting. You can also add some effects. So in this way you can easily add text on the image, and after that you can get this image from here. You can go in download section, and here you can see different formats. Then you can easily select and download it into your laptop.